We offer two different styles of cartridge covers. We offer the round and a non-round cartridge cover. So for this installation, we'll be doing the round cartridge cover. With the GrohSafe 3.0, you can do thick wall and thin wall installation. From the factory, the guard is set up for your standard thick wall. We can change the guard so it's for a thin wall application. To do that, we need to loosen or remove the two screws that hold the guard in place. Remove the guard, rotate it counterclockwise 90 degrees, reinsert it. You can see the guard mentions thin wall application, and then just reinstall your screws. Here. Our next step is to insert the cams. One will go here, the other one will go down here. And start off with snapping it in. And then with the Allen wrench, thread it down. When you're done, you want the flat edge on the outside of the ring. And you can see there's a guide all the way around on the guard itself, so that when you put it into the thin wall, it aligns it. So on the back side of the wall, we're going to lock those cams into the thin wall. So with this Allen wrench, just give it a turn. You'll feel the teeth grab and lock the valve into place. Trimming out on the thin wall, we start with loosening the cartridge nut. Removing the flush plug. Installing the pressure balance cartridge. Remove the sleeve. Make sure that cartridge is in the proper position. And then reinstall the cartridge nut. At this point, we need to remove the two screws that are holding the guard in place. And that's just a Phillip head screw. There's one. Number two. Now we can install the sleeve. On the sleeve, there's a little hole that should be at the 6 o'clock position, and that just slides on. And then our back plate has an arrow indicating up. That should be at the 12 o'clock position. And then the plate is held in place with two Phillip head screws. Okay, and the screws just need to be snug. You don't have to over tighten them. So the next step is your escutcheon plate, and that will just push over the back plate. Make sure that your logo is right up at the 12 o'clock position. There we go. And then the adapter. The adapter threads right into the tip of the stem. And last is the handle. You want the handle to go on, so the lever is in the 6 o'clock position. And then you just tighten it in place with the Allen wrench.